Hey, so we have this question where we are given price of the stocks on number of days, and we have to tell what is the maximum profit that we can get with these constraints. We can buy and sell the stocks twice, but we can't do it in parallel, so we can't hold a stock. So you have to buy it first, then you have to sell it, then you have to buy again, then you can sell it again. So these are sequential steps that you have to do. So in this question, we have given two transactions, but let's first figure out how we can solve it for one transaction. So what would be the maximum profit if we can buy and sell only once? So in the last video, we saw one strategy. I'll quickly recap that. So what we wanted to see was what is the maximum price of the stock in future minus price of the stock on that day. So this will give us the profit that we can gain if we buy the stock on that particular day. So if you see, you do it, you traverse the array from the right, you maintain what is the maximum price that you have encountered yet. So, and now for each day you just subtract it. So profit becomes 9 minus 2, that is 7. That is very evident because on this day if we buy it and we know on the right side or in the future the maximum price is 9, so the benefit will be, or the profit will be 7. Similarly, for 1, we know if we buy it today, the maximum profit that we will get is 8. For the next day, 3. If we buy it today, that is of the price 3, the benefit we will get is 6. On 4th day if we buy, the benefit that we will get is 4. And on the 5th day if we buy, benefit that we get is 0. And on the second last day if we buy, then the benefit is 1, and the last day it's 0. So our answer was 8, which was the maximum value. So what it exactly means is maximum profit if buying on this day. Cool. So let's see a different strategy this time. We can also figure the profit if we go on in a different way. So what we will check here is what is the minimum price of the stock in the past. So for the first day it was 2, the second day it was 1, on the third day the minimum cost of the stock in the past is 1 only, right? So for all remaining days it's 1. So now if you keep subtracting for each day the price of the stock minus the minimum price of the stock in the past, so you'll get the profit. So on the first day it's 0, on the second day it's also 0, on the third day it is 2, on fourth day it is 4, on fifth day it is 8. As you can see, on this day the price of the stock is 9 and the minimum in the past is 1, so 9 minus 1 is 8. On second last day it's 5, on last day it is 6. So again the answer is 8. So this was second strategy. Let's see quickly what it means. So it means maximum, what this array means, what an element of this array signifies. Maximum profit if selling on ith day, right? So if we are clear on this, we are going to use these two to build our solution. So strategy, our main strategy is to solve this problem, that for every index we need to figure out this. What is the maximum profit we can get with one transaction today or in the past, plus maximum profit we can get with one transaction today or in future. So for each and every day, if you add these two values, then you will definitely get your answers. So now we should figure out how we can get that. So here if you see, On the last day, what is the maximum profit that we are getting? 0. On second last day, what is the maximum profit we are getting? 1. And the max till now is also 1. And on the third last day, we are getting a profit of 0. But the max till this, from this day onwards, is 1, right? So what basically we are doing is we are again going to calculate the max and persist it. So 0, 1, 1, 4, 6, 8, 8. Now mind you, what is this array signifying? This is signifying on this day maximum profit if you buy on this day or if you buy afterwards, right? So what this is same as what we wanted to find in the future. Max profit if we buy one transaction today or in the future. This is same. Similarly, we can do the same for the selling. So here from the left side, if we see on the first day the maximum profit was 0, second day is also 0, third day is 2, fourth day it's 4, fifth day it's 8, on the sixth day it's also 8, on the last day also it's 8, right? So what exactly is this signifying? That the maximum profit if you sell on that day or in the past, right? So this is nothing but maximum profit we can get with one transaction today or in the past. Now if you just add these two, you will get your answer. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 0 is again 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 0 is 8. So the maximum that comes out is 9. So 9 should be our answer. Let's quickly verify if that is the case. We are allowed 2 transactions, right? So we got 9 on this day. So I guess this, we buy it here, we sell it here, we buy it here, we sell it here. So 9 minus 1, that is 8, 7 minus 6, that is 1. So 8 plus 1, that is our total profit. So this is how we solve this problem. See you next time.